Hello guys. So yesterday I had left you guys over here and said that we are expecting correction in next buy point would come on 13th. But if you look closely and subdivide this wave into two parts, and we see that around four, four around 5 o'clock New York Times and up move is to come, and then which will also won't do much, and the buy point still remains on 13th. So I know the Trump has ended the war, and we were bullish. I was bullish throughout this April. I told you guys that market is going to go up, but that doesn't mean that we would buy the fifth wave. That doesn't mean that we would buy the fifth wave. And this subdivision has caused the break of the top. But tomorrow, I think most of the people will come and then they will try to buy the New York only to see further correction into the 13th of April. And also these moves, they are not the amplitude of the wave. They are just timing points that this will be the bottom, this will be the top, like this is the bottom. So they don't show the actually the magnitude of the wave down. Like for example, over here it shows the bottom, and over here it shows the top, and over here it shows the bottom, it shows the top. So when the move comes, it doesn't show the actually how big the move will be. So yesterday that move which came, obviously the war ended, and the candle which appeared after the close of the New York Times, after the close of the New York session, is very big. Now this can prompt people to buy the New York session tomorrow, but should we buy it? I think we should wait for the buy point which is after 13. We should not buy the top of the first wave up. So this whole thing was the first wave up. If you try to count the wave, and the buy point should be on 13. Yeah, this game, it is a big candle. The candle is so big, but the correct buy point is 13. And this again, the down move, which is over here, the down move. So that doesn't mean it is going to decline of this magnitude. This just shows the timing mechanism, like that on 13 there should be a bottom, like over here, like over here, like over here. So like over here, this was the bottom in the subwave, but overall the next buy point was 13. So if we look into this, yeah, this up move came, but we should not rush into it. The analysis is correct. But the next buy point should be on 13. I know this. I should have discussed this thing in the video, but I personally also thought that this up move won't be much. At maximum, it will break the top, and that's it. But because of the war, the up move has been, quite a big. But we should not rush it. Still, we should wait for the 13th. Okay, guys, if you want me to continue posting the videos about the intraday move, which you can see are very tricky. Like, you know why? Because all the up move which have come, all the up move, like this up move which came, it came out of the New York session. And this up move which came, it again came out of the New York session. Like all of these up moves are coming out of the New York sessions, like since April has started. This up move and this up move. So I don't know what is going on, but the move, this came in the London session, and this came yesterday after the market had closed during the Asian session. But anyway, we should wait for I will wait for the 13th. So doesn't mean that it will break below the candle or whatever. This just shows the point, right? just like these over there. This will be the buying point. So guys, like the video and leave a comment. I hope the coming days will be better.